morning, everyone. My name is Fabian. I guess we're explaining how this use of robotics experience. So, this vector here is IR system, but calibrated to sense the intense IR radiation that is emitted from a fire in the heat. Then, this microwaves, which acts like the brains of this machine, detects the sensor value and then sends a signal to the relay so that the power source how to go through to the so that the pump can work water. And then here a micro servo acts as the actuator which moves around the water so the fire can be easily put out. So this solves the fact that if any small fire starts in any building or anywhere, it can be immediately put out instead of allowing this fire to be spread. So now it's never makes it. Once I strike the smash like this, immediately the actuator starts, reads the sensor value, sends the signal to the relay, which allows the power to go to the pump
So here's our app's interface. When we press scan, that will enable us to find the microcontroller, but first we have to turn it on. So here we see BBC microbits. So we stop scan, click on it and connect. Now you can see that it's connected. So if I wanted to turn the light off, I would press this button. If I wanted to turn it back on, I could click on this. Now to open the door, and I can close it back. Now if I were to put my hand here, I get a notification that someone is at the door. If I take my hand away, it stays for a while. And that is how you control your smartphone.
This file is attached to another microbase that sends an input to this microbase, which acts like a receiver and controls everything on this cluster. So this can be used to lift up objects.